From Neotel, we offer you the possibility of having your virtual switchboard platform under your own brand. Operate in the field of telecommunications with your business name in a simple, autonomous way and with a minimum investment. The procedure is simple. You will not need any technical knowledge. We provide you with the necessary servers and your hosting in data center, as well as the installation and configuration of the service, so that you can quickly access the products of Virtual Switchboard and call center software. With your white label, you do not act as a distributor, since you do not work for another company. You will be creating your VoIP business through a platform that integrates all the Voice IP tools to operate your telecommunications company over the Internet. There are already many companies operating around the world under their own name with our Neotel White Label Switchboard system. A stable, secure, and functional service that will allow you to offer quality services and work as an IP telephony operator independently. Neotel, control for your business.